cartoon eye coloring technique suitable for beginners. I don't know how to color my eyes. Today I will teach you a 3+1 coloring method. Difficulty is only 1 star. Make sure you have eyes. Prepare a few pairs of painted eye sockets first. There are 4 colors in total. The first 3 colors paint eyeballs. The last color painting pupil. For the first color, we use light color to make the eyeballs whole. Metamorphosis. The second color is stacked with 1 degree darker. The third color continues to take screenshots. Notice the semicircle at the bottom. The last color draws the pupil in dark. Draw shadows and highlights on the whites of your eyes. Did you learn? Good, class.